Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury. This vehicle features a 3-litre V6 diesel engine pushing out 306 bhp, delivered through an automatic transmission and down to all four wheels thanks to the 4-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Silicon Silver. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. Down below we'll find a set of 21-inch alloy wheels which come in a 9-spoke design as well as a diamond turned finish. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a rear roof spoiler, a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. The vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors, ensuring maximum visibility when parking and manoeuvring. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there are 2 additional seats here which, when folded flat, provide additional storage space. Over on the left hand side we have some controls which fold the seats down as well as the headrests. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench finished in the ebony leather. In the centre of the footwell we'll also find the heater controls for the rear area as well as a variety of charging points. This Discovery also comes with some rear seat entertainment. The 2 front seats feature a 16-way electric memory as well as being finished in the Windsor Leather upholstery in an ebony colour as well as coming with some red contrast stitching. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 10-inch touchscreen which includes navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device. Just beneath this we'll find the climate controls, and in the centre console we'll find a few drinks holders as well as the vehicle's off-road settings. And for the driver to enjoy is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.